Okay. Do you think you're gonna buy a house, or are you gonna move into like an apartment or like a townhouse or something like that? Roblox theme. Wow. The double Loki band's kind of crazy.
That's a new one.
Been looking at houses. I love that for you. You excited? Is she out there? Is she out there? What's a good one too? I really need to buy like a lamp. I'm tired of never like just gaming in the dark all the time. It's so bad for your eyes. Why is Luna's ass so fat?
What?
So why is Luna's ass so fat? Look at it.
I heard.
Look at it.
Ah, very bad.
Fat. So like, okay, point styles, who will like the flanker? Someone hit the TP behind.
I think it's Spider-Man.
Yeah, it's Spider-Man. Nice.
Nice.
Strange, we're all still up top. Be careful. Someone hit the TP again, I think. Careful, Cloak peeking that back window. He's gonna grab you. No. Oh, I'm grabbed.
Oh, that's not good.
He's got choke slammed by Emma.
Oh shit, both of our DPS are dead.
Need supports. We're dead.
Fuck, where's the door, dude?
Spider-Man's top right. I froze someone. Jeff. Can you cloak it?
No, my fucking right click didn't go through.
I'm using the group.
Did break her overshield? Don't matter.
They hit a checkpoint. Now might be a good time to stop them.
Enemies, perfect.
Whoa, red, whoa, red, whoa.
Oh, Jesus.
My god, you're so skinny. Spidey's on the right side.
The fuck is that Spider-Man doing?
He's speeding and our hell is taking advantage. It's great.
I was choosing Aura over optimal gameplay.
Oh.
I gotta reload. I could've killed that fucking Jeff. Ah, fuck, you got him.
we would be dying there.
Yeah, I think so.
4, 3, 2. I'm backing up 1. Emma's behind on your supports, and so is Spider-Man. I'm gonna die.
Oh fuck, I
Bubble
just
Horde.
used everything.
No!
Nah, I used everything on you before. Oh, she kept it for a little.
Spidey. He didn't have a bubble, he said.
I'm back in the fight. They hit a checkpoint.
Yeah, the mag pushed you. If he didn't push you into that thing, it's just unfortunate.
He gave me the bubble so I could get my ult off, which saved us from the Spider-Man, but then he didn't have it again.
Nah, it was a different bubble. It's because you got out of your ult. I bubbled you there.
Oh, never mind. He said he bubbled me out of my ult when I came out.
The hell?
Bro, what the fuck is her magic doing? Like, honestly.